Oh yeah, as so many of my greatest adventures always do begin with a car camping cookout. Hopefully today will as well. My name's Rob Appell and I am a quilt maker for Stitchin Heaven, and I am down in Ontario, California, and I am getting ready to go check out the Road to California Quilt Show. And I know it's a little loud out here, but I just want to do this quick little impromptu beginning or intro because I'm feeling so excited. This is the first time I've been back to the show in a long time, and I'm really looking forward to seeing all the beautiful quilts on display. My favorite part is the quilts hanging from the ceilings as you walk through. Atrium, so cool. Oh, jellyfish, patchwork jellyfish. That gives me an idea. I'm sure I will get lots and lots of ideas while I am here today. This is awesome. All right, let's turn in. Let's do this. One of my favorite parts about Road is you've been collecting. So you have a whole strip that fell off. How many years have you been?
Since 2002.
2002. Is that when it started?
No.
No.
It started in 2000.
First time?
No. I've been since 2013.
Got it.
Yeah.
There he goes. This guy's famous. It's happening.
So, Rob, are you no longer in Morro Bay?
No, I still live in Morro Bay. An airplane takes me to work once a month.
Okay.
Folks, it's an honor to finally get to meet Scott from 4th and Main Designs. I chatted with him when he visited Stitchin Heaven, and now I'm getting the real rundown in his booth. This is super cool. Scott,
we actually met via email. That's how we met the first time.
You want to tell the story, don't you?
Sure. So Rob and I met via email. Stitchin Heaven sent me an email, asked me to wash some t-shirts of his for like a special you guys were doing. And I'm like, I live in Nebraska. How do I respond back and say, I'm happy to help, but it doesn't make sense to ship shirts from Texas to Nebraska back to Texas.
Now, here's my answer to Scott's story. I sometimes move a little faster than I should, even outside of my quilt making studio. And we have Scott Hayes that was with us at Stitchin Heaven, and he also ran the maintenance team. And so we are actually asking Scott Hayes to wash the shirts. He was much closer, but Scott was very, very willing. And his response was, I'm happy to do it if you guys can cover the shipping for me. We sent him a single shirt and said, thanks a lot.
Aloha.
Aloha, Karen.
Great to be here.
Oh, man, this show is packed. It's crazy. Your booth is wonderful. This is my friends from Quilt Passions. These are the folks I need to give that wonderful Hawaiian quilt to. Here's Robert doing a demo.
Well, and I've artificially done it here, but outside it would be just as.
There's my friend Dora over there, who started as a local quilter and now has this beautiful business also going.
Okay.
I'm jumping in here right in the middle. Selfie time. Video selfie. This is not as easy as it may look. I just wandered into the Material Girlfriends booth. And if you're not aware, of course, it's probably a little late for me to tell you, these ladies are cruising with us at Stitchin Heaven in April, you said?
Yeah, April, end of April.
Now, where are you going?
We're going to the Eastern Caribbean. Yeah.
It's going to be so good. And do you have the quilt project in the booth by chance?
Yes. We have both
Oh,
of them,
I want to see them. Show me around. Okay, is this one of them?
This is one of them. It's called Confetti Star, and it's designed to use 10-inch squares and no specialty rulers. Just a tricky way of cutting it out.
Right.
And we have Ben Bento.
Oh, look at this. And you're already ready to do the Vanna over here. Oh, yeah, I love this one. This one is awesome. How fun! Yeah. Well, it's so great to see you ladies all matching. Look at this, look at this. Hey, folks, this is a real honor and opportunity here. I'm going to meet real quick and interview Cinnamon. She is from Sew Power. Okay, so Sew a Purse, Change Your Life. Cinnamon, what's that all about?
Hi, everybody. Yes, so it's about that. So Purse Change a Life. We have an opportunity with a purse pattern, and it supports a program that really is just about women's empowerment and girls' empowerment in Zambia. So the pattern is free, and you can see kind of behind me here, we have the pattern to download, and then these are a bunch of purses made by donors, and you can see there's so much creative ability that comes in, creative expression with every different purse maker, which is awesome. And then every bag we collect, the bags go to Zambia, and we fill them with reusable hygiene supplies, soap and underwear, and it goes to the girls in the community schools.
That is amazing. Now, this looks a bit like you in this quilt. And have you traveled to Africa a bunch?
Yes, we go. I don't know how many times, but typically we go like once a year. We take donors as well, so if anybody's interested in seeing the program in person, you can come with us and give a purse to a girl in person, which is awesome. But yes, this quilt was made from a photo on one of the trips, and so that's me there with lovely purple hair, but surrounded by girls that had just received purses.
Wow. How amazing. That captures all the joy of that. Now, I understand, I got to meet some of your colleagues out at our expo in Stitchin Heaven just a few weeks ago, and I got a pin and they've gotten the purse pattern and asked me to share that with everybody because I want to make sure that we're encouraging folks to do a little bit of philanthropy sewing in their free time constantly. It's like a palette cleanser between your big masterpieces, if you will.
Yes.
So I understand, I found out you're going to be coming out, is it you that will be with us in the retreat out in August? Are you going to be there teaching yourself?
I will be there, and we also are bringing in on this trip 2 of our leaders from Zambia. So they're coming. The one that kind of runs the sewing room, and then also who's in charge of the whole program.
Amazing.
Yeah, so that's going to be a lot of fun. There's going to be several of us kind of demoing techniques, but we sew purses while we're there. We also will sometimes have a project during that retreat that we sew that's a gift for the seamstresses in Zambia that we'll take on the next trip that we go on. So that's a lot of fun too.
That is so cool. I am so excited you are here. I didn't expect to get to meet you and talk with you, so thank you.
This is awesome.
And I hope to get to be there in August when you're there.
Very cool. Well, you'll have to sew a purse. Use your scraps. Yes.
Okay.
It's a perfect scrap buster, stash buster. Leftover quilt blocks like fit onto the purse pieces so nicely, so it's really fun to see it all come together.
I'll tell you, that is music to my ears. The stash buster, palette cleanser, philanthropy helper, can't get much better. Cinnamon, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
You're
awesome.
We'll see you in August. It's an interesting angle, but it is. It's legit kits. You saw them at Expo. Here they all are on display. Wow, look at the butterfly. Absolutely love these. Legit Kits will also be hosting a retreat at Stitchin Heaven real soon.
That's the whole point. You don't want it to be
And then when you get into the quilt exhibit display, there's nice peaceful music playing. The lights have been lowered, adjusted to the quilts. Very, very nice display. Looking forward to walking through here and seeing what inspires me. I love the unexpected pockets in this one. All right, that's got my wow factor. And those last little blocks are so tiny.
Isn't that crazy?
Super crazy. That is gorgeous. And always such an honor as you're walking through a quilt show to see somebody's quilt utilizing one of your patterns. I love what you did here. There it is. Okay, Robert has the quilt. The quilt in the bag is going to Quilt Passions Kona, Hawaii. Aloha! That's right, folks. I had such a great time yesterday. I'm going in for a second day, road to California, and I just want to remind you all and encourage you to get out amongst fellow quilt makers. The energy at the show was so amazing. That's why I had to film the rest of this outside today. It is so loud inside. Everyone is having a great time. So just a reminder, at Stitchin Heaven, we offer all kinds of wonderful cruise events, land ahoy events, retreat events. So if you want to be social with other quilters, we'd love to support you. So check out what we do online, www.stitchinheaven.com, and we will see you out at a quilting event somewhere.